Hello YouTube. Apologies for the noisy environment here, but wanted to show some progress on the portable solar battery generator that I'm working on. Got a couple of used 2019 LEAF batteries and a 8S configuration, and I haven't yet mounted the Watchman 7 in place, but it is happily balancing to bring the cells down to about 3.9 volts. You can see each of the individual balancing lights going nuts there and bleeding off about half an amp at a time. Still haven't gotten it to connect to my Wi-Fi yet, but it is alive and talking. I did have to go and turn off the shunt monitoring because, as you can probably tell, the shunt isn't connected yet, but at least in this temporary, somewhat janky mounting position, it's alive and working. Had a hell of a time getting the wiring loom figured out, but as it turns out, there's this one little wire, the white wire on this balancing harness, that is actually connected to ground. And when these two are in series, it is referenced to 0 volts. So the system's test mod was rightly pointed out, hey presto, there's a short in here. So after I figured out that mess, it's now working. So the next fun bit is to properly mount the Watchman in the lid there, because I'm out of room around here, and install the shunt. Then when that's in place, the 1500 watt inverter can go in place. So that's what I'm working on. Finally, it lives a little bit.